Alright y'all, welcome back to Weed's Kitchen. Breakfast on the shore. We're gonna start off with some pepper bacon. So as you can see, most of it's been cooked. Watch this. I lay my pieces out. Come over here. Sure. I lay them out nice and flat so they come out perfect, hopefully. And I've gotten compliments on my bacon too, by the way. Pepper bacon, hold on. You want to come over here and show them what we're doing here? That's great. We like pepper. Or as they say in Mexico, pimiento. All right, here we go. Okay, we're gonna let that cook, and we're gonna do scrambled eggs. Today, we're gonna do scrambled eggs. And yes, apparently there are multiple different ways to make scrambled eggs, but this is how Weed makes them. We're gonna crack 6 of these bad boys. We're gonna whisk them. We're gonna whisk those bad boys almost to the point of, something. I like to feel that makes them do something, get fluffier. I don't know, but they're still pretty good. So, there's that. All right, now we're gonna just whisk the heck out of them. Now, I like to whisk these things and I think some chefs say throw them in the pan first, then break them up, whatever. We're gonna do it this way. No milk, nothing, just scrambled eggs. And we like them light and like a little bit runny too, so we'll show you that in a minute. All right guys, bacon done. Now the scrambled eggs, hot pan, we're using bacon grease. I kind of wiped a lot of it out, but here we go, you ready? Come in here, watch this. Oh yeah, this is gonna take not very long. All right, let's scramble these bad boys up. All right, y'all, breakfast on the bay. Scrambled eggs, bacon, toast, and a beautiful scene. Can't be beat. See you next time.